Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand how to create a HIRA table with real industry examples. If you are a safety professional or a student, this video will help you understand HIRA in a very practical way. First, let's quickly understand what HIRA is. HIRA stands for Hazard Identification and Risk Assessment. It is a systematic process used to identify hazards in the workplace and evaluate the risks associated with them. It helps us prevent accidents and improve workplace safety. A HIRA table is a structured format used to record all hazards and risks. It helps organize information clearly so that we can take proper safety measures. Typically, a HIRA table includes activity, hazard, risk, severity, likelihood, risk rating, and control measures. Let's understand the key components. Activity means the task being performed. Hazard is the source of potential harm. Risk is the possible consequence of that hazard. Severity indicates how serious the outcome can be. Likelihood shows how often it can happen. And risk rating is calculated by multiplying severity and likelihood. In most industries, we use a scale from 1 to 5. Severity ranges from minor injury to fatality. Likelihood ranges from rare to frequent occurrence. By multiplying these two, we get the risk rating. This helps us categorize risks as low, medium, or high. Now let's look at a real example from the construction industry. Activity is working at height. The hazard is falling from a scaffold. The risk is serious injury or even death. If severity is 5 and likelihood is 3, the risk rating becomes 15, which is high. Control measures include safety harness, guardrails, and proper training. In the manufacturing industry, consider machine operation. The hazard is moving parts. The risk is hand injury. With severity 4 and likelihood 3, the risk rating is 12, which is also high. We can reduce this risk using machine guards, emergency stop buttons, and proper PPE like gloves. In oil and gas industries, handling chemicals is very common. The hazard is toxic exposure. The risk could be serious respiratory issues. If severity is 5 and likelihood is 2, the risk rating becomes 10, which is medium. Control measures include proper ventilation, use of respirators, and awareness of safety data sheets. In warehouses, material handling is a routine activity. The hazard is heavy lifting. The risk is back injury. If severity is 3 and likelihood is 4, the risk rating becomes 12, which is high. We can control this by training workers, using trolleys, and following ergonomic practices. In electrical work, maintenance activities are very risky. The hazard is live wires. The risk is electric shock. With severity 5 and likelihood 2, the risk rating is 10, which is medium. Control measures include lockout-tagout procedures, insulated tools, and permit-to-work systems. One important concept in HIRA is reducing risk. Before applying controls, the risk may be high. After implementing safety measures, the risk level should decrease. Our goal is to reduce risk to ALARP, which means as low as reasonably practicable. Some common mistakes in HIRA include ignoring small hazards, incorrect risk ratings, and not updating the HIRA regularly. Also, many people fail to implement proper control measures. Always ensure your HIRA is accurate and up to date. To conclude, HIRA is a very important tool for ensuring workplace safety. Understanding it with real examples makes it easier to apply in practical situations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, comment your industry so I can create more videos like this. Thank you for watching.